Let me introduce myself. My name is Doli Indah Rahab, NPM 22311061 kelas SI22B. Data collection measurement scale. Understanding data of types of data. Data is information about something, is something that is known or assumed, or a facta which is described to number, symbol, code, and other. Data by source of collection. Primary data. It is data obtained of collected directly in the field by the person conducting the research of the person concerned. How net it also collect original data or new data. 2. Secondary data. It is data obtained of collected by people conducting research from existing source. This data is usually about not from library report, also called available data. Data according to collection time. 1. Time series data. It is data collected for over time to describe the development of an activity or condition. 2. Cross section. It is data collected at a certain time to provide an overview of the development of an activity or situation at time at the time about not from each individual. 3. Panel data or wallet data. It is combination of data time series and data cross selection. Data by nature. 1. Qualitative data. It is data non-numeric form. 2. Quantitative data. It is data in the form of number. Data according to measurement level. 1. Nominal data. It is data that come from grouping event based of certain category, the difference of which only show qualitative difference. 2. Ordinal data. It is data that come from object or category that are arranged according to size, from the lowest data to the highest level, or vice versa, with a distance or rank that does not have to be the same. 3. Interval data. It is data that come from object or categorical that are sorted based on a certain attribute, where the distance between each object or category is the same. In this data, there is not absolute zero number. 4. Ratio data. It is data collection all the characteristic of ordinal data and interval data, and is equipment with a absolute 0 point with empirical meaning. The number in this data indicate the actual size of the object or category being measured. Data collection. It is the recording of event or thing or information or characteristic of some or all element of the population that will support or assist research. Data collection is based on how 1. Questionnaire. It is data collection by submitting or sending a list of questions to be filed in by respond. Respondent are people who provide response or answer to question asked. In order to use the technique, it is required that respondent have a adequate level of education. Advantage of questionnaire technique. 1. Can research large number of sample because it can be sent by post. 2. The cost required to create a questionnaire are relatively cheap. 3. The questionnaire is not too intrusive to respondent because it is filed or by the respondent themselves. Disadvantage disadvantage of questionnaire technique. 1. If sent by post, the per- percentage returned is relatively low. 2. Cannot be used on respondents who are unable to read the and write. 3. Question in the questionnaire can be misinterpreted by respondent. Questionnaire component to be effective. There is a subject, namely individual or institution that carry out research. There is an invitation, namely a request from the research to the respondent to participate actively and objectively in filling it out. There are instructions for filling your the questionnaire which is easy to understand and unbiased. Have an question and or statement along with a place to fill in the answer, answer clauses, semi-clauses or open. The question in this questionnaire can be in the form of open or closed question or a combination of open and closed question. Thing to consider when making question of statement. Question or statement must be clear and without double. Avoid double question or statement. Respondent must be able to answer. Question or statement must be relevant. Question or statement should be short. Avoid based suggestive question or statement. Based on the form of the questionnaire or statement, there are their types, namely A. Open questionnaire. It is a questionnaire How's, how question or statement give respondent of freedom to provide answer and opinion according to their wish. B. Closed questionnaire. It is a questionnaire how question or statement do not give respondent the freedom to provide answer and opinion according to their wishes. C. Semi-open questionnaire. It is a questionnaire how questionnaire or statement give respondent the freedom to provide answer and opinion according to the answer choice provide according to their wishes. 2. Interview. It is a data collection technique where the interview asks question directly to the respondent and the respondent answer then not a recorded. Advantage of interview techniques. Interview can be used with respondent who cannot read and write. If there is a question that is not understand, the interview can immediately explain. The interview can immediately check the truth of the respondent as well by asking comparative question or by looking at the respondent face or movement. This ten text of interview technique. Interview request hooks cost for travel and daily expense for data collector. Interview can only reach a small number of respondents. The presence of the interview may be distracting to the respondent. Interview technique. A. Structured interview. This is a interview technique where the interviewer use or prepares a list of question or a checking list as a guide when conducting an interview. B. Unstructured interview. This is a interview technique where the interviewer does not use a list of question or a checking list as a guide during the interview process. Thing to pay attention to in an interview. Physical preference, including clothing, can give the impression of whether the interviewer in trustworthy or not. Attitude behavior. Identity the interviewer must introduce himself and if necessary how identification or a letter of assignment. Material readiness in the sense that the interview understand and master what will be asked and is ready to provide an answer if necessary. Thing to consider in an interview. It is best to make a agreement to potential respondent when they are willing to be interviewed. Start the interview by first using an opening sentence or introductory sentence, and during the interview process use good and correct language. Control the cursus of the review, and if necessary guide the respondent of needed so that he or she does not experience too much difficulty in answering or expressing his or her opinion. Observation. I selection challenge recording and coding research of behavior and conditional relating to an organisasi situs in according with the empirical object elementation indicate that the observer edit and focus the observation intentionally or not. Change. Showing that observation may challenge behavior without this to disturbing is naturness. Recording show effort to record event use file not category system and other method. Encoding show the process of simple laying the record talk the reduction method, a series of behavior and atmosphere show that observation makes a serial of different measure of various behavior and situational in situ show that observation of event occurs through natural situation although in does not mean without using experimental manipulation. Empirical objective show that observation has various functions in research. Description, generating theories and hypotheses or testing theories or hypotheses. Advantage of observation technique. The data obtained of actually or refresh data in the sense that the data was obtained from respondent at the time the behavior accurate. The validation of the measuring instrument can be now directly the expanded behavior may or may not appear because the behavior can be seen or observed that we can immediately say that what is being measured is indeed something that is indeed to be measured. This sustenance of observation technique to obtain the expanded data. The observers must wait and observe until the expanded behavior across or appears. Some behavior, such as criminal or person behavior, are difficult or impossible to observe and might even be harmful to the observer if observed. observation based of observer involvement. A. Participant observation. This is an observation where the observer participant in the actually carried out by the subjective being studied or observed, as if they were part of them. B. Non-participant observation. This is a observation where the observer is outside the subject being studied and does not participant in the activity they carry out. Observation based on observation method. A. Structured observation. This is a observation where the observer use observation with the analyze on in carrying out the observation. B. Under structure observation. This is an observation where the observer carries out the observation friendly. Documentation study. It is a data collection technique that is not directly aimed at research subject but through document. Document use can be diaries, personal letter, report, meeting minutes, case note in social work and other document. Advantage of document studies. An alternative opinion for certain research subject how a defectual or impossible to reach. Documentation study can provide a way to conduct research non-reactive because documentation studies not conducted directly with people so that data required is not affected by the presence of research or data collection. For research using data that reaches far back in time, documentary study provide the best way. Large sample size. With available document, the technique allow for talking large sample at relatively small cost. Disadvantage of documentation study. Bias usually the data present in the document can be excessive or non-excessive. Selectively enable not all documents are maintained for recording by other. Incomplete the data contained in the document is usually income. Non-standard format. The format in the document is usually different from the format in the research because the purpose of writing the document is different from the purpose of the research. Content analysis technique. It is the study of verbal meaning. This analysis is used to obtain information from the content conveyed in the form of symbol. This analysis can be used to analyze L form such as newspaper, books, pottery, portrait, song, folk, talent, painting, speeches, and legalization music the other. Data collection is based on the amount of data taken. 1. Census. It is a way of collecting data by taking element or member of the population as a whole to be investigation or collection data took the population. The data obtained from the result of this census are called parameter or actual data. 2. Sampling. It is a method of collecting data by taking some element of the population member to be investigate of collecting data talk sample. Data obtained from this sampling is collect a statement value data. Thank you.